Um, the way I approach it is I take a very sort of, I guess they call it contrarian point of view, but it's more contrarian of positioning. So I'm looking at where people are massively long or where people are massively short. And then I'm looking to go the other way, which is why I end up with zero to negative correlation to everybody, because I'm essentially doing the opposite of what everybody's doing when they are all doing it, or when I can measure that they are all doing it. And then I wait, once my measurements tell me that, I don't just get in, because I don't want to get run over. Um, I wait until the market confirms what I'm saying. So I always like to say I have three pillars of what I do. Positioning needs to be one-sided, sentiment needs to be one-sided, and then market action needs to confirm what I'm saying. So, okay, it's going down, everyone's getting short, everyone's getting bearish. I'm not just going to buy, the falling knife. I'm going to buy it when the market then gives me confirmation that, hey, now it's not going down anymore.
Yeah, I think from our previous talks, people know you for the news failure concepts, which I think I definitely want to touch on. But perfect. That's a good kind of starting point so people can hear both sides. Let's dive a little bit deeper. Obviously, by the way, you guys do a fantastic podcast, The Markets Unscripted, where you guys both give your perspective each week about what's going on, which is awesome. We'll link that in the chat. But Matt, maybe starting with you again. Obviously, you guys have different edges.
Mhm.
What would you say are your biggest edges as a trader, and how do you apply those in your process?
Yeah, so it's funny. Well, first of all, when we were doing the podcast, we just thought it would be just, we were just kind of talking at an event last year, and we are just saying, the perfect trader would be basically being able to play that uptrend to the maximum capacity and be really focused on the key leaders. But then at the extremes, because the trend followers are always going to be late. Then at the extremes, be able to fade that. I'm like, Jason and I together, it'd be like a superstar team. We thought that would be like a great basis of, the podcast. And what kind of some elements that I thought were great. I always figured, in a directional trend, like that'd be more my wheelhouse. But what I found was amazing is that, just when both of us are in sync at the same time, that really kind of actually pointed to the strongest part of the rally, which we had the past couple of months, because we were both